Hi my peeps, today I just cut some chicken breast and I'm gonna put some mushroom in it, some seasoning, not too much seasoning because it's breast, and I'm gonna put some soy sauce, a little browning, lots of onion, sweet pepper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's gonna be yummy. Carrots, tomato. I'm just putting my seasoning. I put black pepper right now. This is garlic powder. I put some parsley already. And I put some paprika. I'm gonna add a little chicken seasoning. A little bit more. And I did go ahead and I put some black pepper. Put a little bit more for you. You can see. And that's it for seasoning. I'm gonna cut up my sweet pepper or bell pepper, my mushroom, and my onions, and then I'm gonna put everything in. Also guys, I'm gonna put some blended season in it, about this 1 tablespoon. So guys, you want to stir it, let it catch some color. Jamaican people now say you can't serve them food without any color, so you have to make it catch some color. So guys, now it look like it's catching some color. Jamaican talking. Stir fried chicken with mushroom. Sorry about that guys. So now it catch a little bit of color. I'm gonna add a little bit of browning. About that. And you want to just mix it in. Over here I have my carrots, my mushroom, and my bell pepper frozen, and I'm gonna dump everything all in. When you have to pour a little bit of water for it to cook. Please pour some boiling water, guys. Don't put cold water. Put some boiling water. My carrots, just a little bit of water, not too much. My bell pepper or green pepper, and I have yellow one there, sweet pepper. Now I have some onion, and to this I'm gonna add some scallion and thyme. I'm gonna give this a stir, and then I'm gonna pour my hot water in. Look at all the colors. Ooh. Now to this I'm gonna add 1 cup of boiling water. And my stove is on about 7 for it to come to a boil. and then I'm gonna turn it down, and then I'm gonna show you. So guys, that's what cooking. Look at it, my peeps. Ooh, so nice. Now I'm gonna turn down the stove and let it simmer, and I'll show you the final result. This is the final result, my chicken and mushroom, and I'm gonna dish it out and I'm gonna show you. This is the final result, my chicken cooked down with mushroom and lots of vegetable. And guys, this is the final result. Now I'm serving up this with some plain rice. I have some veggie here, some cucumber and some lettuce, and I have some ripe fried plantain, and on the side I have some dressing. And guys, this is it. I'm drinking some fruit punch with June plum, peach, a little bit of ginger, pineapple, and a little bit of sugar. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Yummy, yummy. Bye, guys.